Hello, everyone, and greetings to everyone. I'm optometrist Fakhruddin Barodawala, and I'm very happy to be talking to you today. This particular 5 minutes of yours is just to brief you about the online platform sessions which we have started, and it is known as the Online Optom Learning Series, where me and some of my optometry friends have started online webinars to share whatever we have learned, as well as we also invite speakers globally to talk onto our platform. So this particular online Optom Learning series is been there since the 1st of April, and we have done about 34 sessions until now. And all of these sessions are actually available on our YouTube channel. So you can actually scan the QR code which is on the screen, go to our YouTube channel, and you can view the recorded sessions. Subscribe to our channel as well so that you can receive the notification of when we upload a new video. So the sessions are now on a weekly basis. We have sessions on every weekend, Saturday as well as on a Sunday. And it also gives me an immense pleasure to announce to you that the Online Optom Learning Series platform is also been recognized and accredited by the Optometry Council of India, where Indian optometrists who are registered with the Optometry Council of India are awarded 2 credit points when they attend a live session. Furthermore, now we are in collaboration with the Philippine optometrists, and you can see these beautiful smiley faces on your screen. We have been working hard and we have been discussing a lot on how we can help the Philippine optometrists to take part and advantage of this online learning platform. And we are happy to announce that after a lot of discussion, Online Optom Learning Series is now an integral association with the 2 very well-known Philippine optometry organizations, which is the Integrated Philippine Association of Optometrists and also the Philippine Society of Public Health and Occupational Optometry. So we are very delighted to have this collaboration, and all of the live sessions what you attend would be considered as a self-directed learning. Each live session attended, all the attendees would receive an e-certificate after you fill up a feedback form which is at the end of the session and answer a few questions which were actually discussed during the session. So please tune in to our live sessions and be a part of this learning series. How to be a part of this learning series is the next question, I think, which will be going on to your mind. So we need you to scan this QR code, fill up the Google form, and register your interest. By doing so, we will be receiving your email IDs, and we will be adding those email IDs onto our Google groups, where we blast out emails about the future sessions as well as the joining links onto the live session. So please scan the QR code and fill up a simple Google form to register your interests. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions or queries, please write to those organizations and we will get in touch and solve your queries. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you during the live sessions when you have been registered then. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and take care. Bye-bye.